There was little left intact after Ethiopian Airlines Flight 302 crashed last March. Just a hole in the ground, a single shoe, some passports, and the mourning families of the 157 people killed on board. Just 6 months earlier in Indonesia, Lion Air Flight 610 had plunged into the Java Sea, killing all 189 passengers and crew. It's long been acknowledged software flaws on the aircrafts, both Boeing 737 MAXs, contributed to the fatal crashes. But now US lawmakers have taken it a step further. After an 18-month-long investigation, it resulted in a 250-page report in which a US House committee found the two crashes were the horrific outcome of failures by Boeing's engineers, Boeing's management and the FAA. Lawmakers accused Boeing of cost-cutting that jeopardised the safety of the flying public, a culture of concealment over issues with the aircraft and troubling management misjudgments, also heavily criticising the FAA, which it found guilty of inherent conflicts of interest and whose management was at the behest of Boeing.
The FAA has got a culture problem as well as Boeing, and it's going to have a whole overhaul.
Many aviation experts unsurprised by the findings, acknowledging putting profit before safety and the close relationship between big companies and the watchdog is an international problem.
There's always going to be a conflict whilst the accountants are running these companies rather than the engineers.
The FAA responded to the report's findings, saying it would work with lawmakers to implement improvements. And Boeing said it had learned many hard lessons. The entire 737 MAX fleet is still grounded.